My name's Gavan Hodges, and I saw John probably 2 years ago on the start of this journey. I've got a Canter, 4-wheel drive, not a very good truck that you'd want to start on. So we stripped it all out, stripped it down, and that's when I met John, and we decided to do a 4-wheel drive, purpose-built camper so that we could really go remote and go anywhere. So I was looking at doing, say, a timber frame, and then I was looking at sheeting it, and then I was looking at going to interior. What panelling could I use? There was no panel available that could cover a whole section in one hit. And then you had to work around all the joins with all of the components and everything you were setting up. I actually was talking to a mate of mine, and he said, "Hey, you need to go and see this guy. He builds these like esky panels." And I thought, really? I said, "They're a bit thick, aren't they?" He said, "No, go have a chat with him." So we went and saw John, and the moment John took me through the factory here and I saw this panel, it was just me all over. It was just light, it was tough, the construction's fantastic. It's finished outside, it's finished inside, so you're really working with a blank canvas that's perfect. The white colour actually is brilliant because you need minimal lights to be able to see everything in there. I was kind of skeptical about the whole thing because this is kind of a new product that's out. You know, we're going to glue this thing together, we're going to stick it on the back of the truck, we're going to whack down the highway doing 120 k's and hope the thing holds together. We've taken this thing up beaches, we've taken it up tracks, we've taken it out back, we've taken it everywhere we can, and the only issue that we have is stuff that I put in it. To us, it's really important to have a local Australian manufacturer because of supply. Supply is always the biggest issue, and to be just locally here, to have that supply chain where you can just call in, grab whatever you need, that is paramount in manufacturing.